Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be planning in my journal, which is the classic size happy planner called La Fleur. As you guys know, I love creating spreads in my journal. If this is your first time joining, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thanks for joining. So today we are creating a spread in the week for March 13th through the 19th, so full on St. Patty's. I am super excited to be able to do this with you. I think it's so fun and different. So here we go. I have I've bought some stickers on Etsy and printed them and have had them cut with my Cricut. So I have a fun kind of farmhousey thing going on this time around, and I thought it would be kind of fun to do something different and step out of my comfort zone. So I have a lot of pages here, as you can tell, from me flipping them in front of you. I wanted to do a little bit of a farm animal and step out of the comfort zone and do something fun. I normally do something very like either chic or very like, I don't know, simplistic. This time I'm gonna do something fun and whimsical, like look at this cow with the St. Patty's little hat and some clovers. I thought that is so fun and brilliant and different. How can you not do it, right? So I'm gonna be placing animals throughout. Like I have this little chicken, so cute, this little piglet, like all of these little things that I'm going to be incorporating in the spread. Let me know how you like it, because for me, it's actually a lot of fun. So here we go. So I'm gonna add a farmhouse right to Saturday. So all of these animals have somewhere to live, right? Because come on, it's almost like a barn with a door. I don't know. It's very, very cute. So I'm adding this little piggy. I'm adding this little chicken. I don't know where I should add the chicken. Maybe next to the piggy. Maybe right here. Look at this little chicken. And all of them are sitting in clovers, which is fun and different and cute. And let me know what you guys think, because I also think it's slightly crazy. I've never done anything like this. I don't normally put farm animals in my planner, but I thought, why not? It's different, it's fun, it's whimsy. It is what it is. So here we go. So, I want to add a couple more animals. So maybe like a sheep or a goat, or maybe both. And then some decorative elements to fill in. And maybe even, let's see. Look at this little sheep though. Okay, that has to go on my page, I think. Let me see if I have a smaller one, because that will take way too much. So I'm just flipping through these pages. I know it's taking forever. Oh, look at this little one. That's black. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm pulling it off. I'm pulling the white one first. Oh, yeah, it's so cute. You guys, it's so cute. Okay, so let's put this little lamb right here. So cute. Oh my gosh. It's adorable. Okay, and now I'm gonna add that black one so they can be friends and they can hop together on the little grass and clovers and rocks. If you guys watch Mary Ellen, I am very tempted to add all of these, to name all of these farm animals, but I'm not gonna do that. But I am tempted, so I know where she's coming from. Okay, it's time to add some other things to this. And I'm not even sure what. So, let's see. Also, I did not turn the camera on when I was making my catch-all. So this is my catch-all. This is what it looks like. I had a very long monologue with myself, but this is what I created in my catch-all, in case you were interested. Okay, what do I want to do? I think it's time to look maybe in my sage book, maybe add some sage to this and complement all the green, because the left side seems very bare compared to the right side, and I don't necessarily want to keep it that way. So I'm going to grab my sage book. It is the Happy Planner book, and I'm going to add some of the elements in here. So first, a big quote. So it says, surround yourself with beauty, and I'm putting this above the pig on purpose. This pig is beautiful. It's such a little cute piggy. I can't help it. So if you're with me, you're with me, right? If you're not a big fan of my little piggy, I can't help you. She's cute. She's super cute, actually. So, or he. I haven't decided on a gender yet. So yeah, I want some big journaling boxes. I love journaling in them, like especially throughout the week. I think it's such a good little bundle of space that I can use. Okay, so I'm going to put this one right here, and then I need one more on the other side. I'm going to bring some darker green in here, and hopefully they'll kind of offset everything. Okay, also when I was making spread in my catch-all, I went through this book and it had some very beautiful, but just absolutely gorgeous washi strips that I actually want to use. So bear with me, I'm going to find these and we're going to plop them in here and see how it works out. So these are it. Look how beautiful they are. So I'm just going to like place them as I feel and go from there. I don't think there's a rhyme or reason of placing them one way or another. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that. Like, these are absolutely stunning. So if you have this book, this is the perfect book for St. Patty's Day. I'm telling you, the green in here is poppin'. So I'm gonna add this white one with the gold foil right here. I think it's beautiful. Okay, great. And now I can add a few more elements. And here, I think I want a quote. I'm gonna use this long quote. And I'm gonna put it up here. So it says, inspiration is all around us if we are willing to look for it. Isn't that true? And then we're going to put a big one on the bottom that says, keep looking up. There may be a rainbow within, a rainbow waiting for you. So keep looking up. There may be a rainbow waiting for you. How perfect, right? St. Patty's Day, all about rainbows. Awesome. So this is going under my little animals up here. I think it's super cute. And I'm not gonna do too much to it. I'm gonna add maybe like 2 more elements to combine everything. Maybe a little more. So I want something in that sidebar section next to the pig. So I'm gonna add this little vase with florals. I think that's good, right? Yes, I think that's perfect. And then on the other side, I want to connect it. And I'm gonna connect it maybe by like a big flower, something. But yeah, the left side is still slightly empty. So I'm looking for something to fill this with and kind of make it cohesive. So give me a second. I want to bring a little bit of green and maybe a little bit of something else into it. Anyway, I'll keep going just for a bit. And yes, so I'm gonna add this little basket with the beautiful greenery in it. I think it's so pretty. And then I just want to put something in between the two little animals up there to connect that box, because that white space does bug me. So I want to see if I can add maybe this dark flower, but that doesn't look right. So let me put that back and look for something that's appropriate. So maybe this like big grass arrangement, I'm not sure. So I'm just looking. I know I have some awesome things in this in these stickers and I love them. Just need to figure out what I want, and it's not easy. Okay, let's see if I can add this right there, like so. Let's kind of add a cluster here. Okay, so I'm gonna call this spread done, and then I'm gonna have fun writing in this for sure. Like I said, completely out of my comfort zone. Thank you so much for joining me for this. I hope you guys had fun. Let me know down below what you think. And I can't wait to make another spread with you. As you can see, my planner is getting chunky and chunky from all the stickers. And I'm so excited because, yeah, just like the previous one, I'm going to be doing some bigger headers. And I'm very excited to plan with you guys. Bye!